Welcome back. You are now looking at Biteable.com, and Biteable is one of the animated video creators suggested by makers of Skillshare courses in order to create your promotional video. Because you'll be able to create different kinds of video from your actual instruction, this is a video you'll be able to use on YouTube and social media to get people excited about your course. And naturally, there are other animated video creators available, such as Animoto, GoAnimate, which has a 14-day free trial, My Simple Show, which is a whiteboard video creator which uses your existing PowerPoint when you import it, and Animatron, and this is just a small sampling of the video creators available where you can work in the cloud, create a promotional video, download that video, and use it on your YouTube channel. Now you'll select the one whose pricing that you like, and then you can sign up. Now in some cases you'll want to make sure that the video that you're using, even if it is under a trial, that it will not have the watermark. For example, if we were to sign up for GoAnimate, you would notice that all videos made during the 14-day trial period will have the free trial watermark. Now, as you can see here, we created a video inside of Biteable in about 7 minutes time. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn the sound down. We're just going to click play so that you can see it. Now in this case, Biteable requires you to purchase their subscription in order to remove watermarks or to download the video. However, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and publish this video as it is. Now that the video has been published, we're going to click the YouTube button. And now our video has been submitted to YouTube. And our video is now on our YouTube channel and now ready for playing and sharing. Now you'll notice that the video has a branding logo on it. However, if you choose to upgrade to their premium version, you would not need to have this branding on your video. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.